Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to evaluate the golden ratio raised to the power of 12. What is a golden ratio? Remember, it is a number, a real number. Let me start from this side. A golden ratio is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 whole divided by 2. So this is golden ratio. So we want to raise this to the power of 12, which is the same thing as raising 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 12. I would like to start by raising golden ratio to the power of 2. So if we have golden ratio to the power of 2, this is the same thing as squaring this. So we have 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole squared. This is the same thing. The denominator will be 2 squared, which is 4. Then the top, which is 1 plus root 5 squared, you take the first term, which is 1, you square that. 1 squared is 1. Plus second term squared, square root of 5 squared will be 5. Then plus 2 times the first term times the second term according to binomial expansion. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times root 5 is 2 root 5. If you simplify this, you have 1 plus 5, which is 6. So this is 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. This is golden ratio to the power of 2. And I believe we can reduce this to the lowest term because 2 can divide all of these coefficients. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Plus 2 divided by 2 is still 2. So we have just root 5 here. Divided by 4 divided by 2 is 2. And hence, golden ratio to the power of 2 is just 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. So let me continue here. Now I would like to take golden ratio and multiply by golden ratio squared. What does this mean? It means we are going to take this, which is golden ratio, multiply by golden ratio squared, which is just this one. So this will be 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. Our main goal is to get to golden ratio to the power of 12. So this is equal to, the bottom is just 2 times 2, which is what? 4. The top, we have 1 times root 3 plus root 5 is 3 plus root 5. Then we take the second term, root 5 times 3 is 3 root 5. Then the last one, root 5 times root 5 is root 25, which is 5. Let me further simplify this. We have 3 plus 5 is 8. Root 5 plus 3 root 5, that will give us 4 root 5. The whole of this divided by 4. And you can see that 8 divided by 4 is 2. Plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we just have root 5 here. And what is golden ratio times golden ratio squared? According to one of the laws of indices, you can add the exponents because naturally this has a power of 1. So this is just golden ratio to the power of 3. Now I would like to take golden ratio to the power of 3 and square that. You know, according to one of the laws of indices, this will give us golden ratio to the power of 6. We are almost done. The same thing as squaring 2 plus root 5. And this will give us first term squared, that is 4, plus second term squared, that will give us 5, plus 2 times 2, 4, times this will give us 4 root 5. I think because we have no much space, I can combine this together to give us 9. Let me do that right here. This will give us 9 plus 4 root 5, right? Plus 4 root 5. Remember, this will be golden ratio to the power of 6. And we know that the moment we take golden ratio to the power of 6 whole squared again, this will give us golden ratio to the power of 12. And that's exactly what we are looking for. First term squared, that will give us 81. Then plus second term squared, 4 squared is 16. Square root of 5 squared is 5. 16 times 5 is 80. So we have 80 right here. then plus 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 times 4 is 72. So we have 72 root 5. But I know that 80 plus 81 will give us 161. Should I just write 161 here? Okay, let me do that. 161 plus 72 root 5 plus 72 root 5, and hence this is exactly golden ratio to the power of 12. I can say that golden ratio to the power of 12 as required is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5, and this is our final answer. 161 plus 72 root 5 is exactly the same thing as taking golden ratio to the power of 12, which is this one, right? Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.